Welcome to the exciting realm of pallet crafting, where creativity meets sustainability. This journey begins with the humble wooden pallet, a versatile and often overlooked resource. By transforming these pallets into beautiful and functional crafts, you can not only express your artistic flair, but also embark on a profitable business venture. This guide will explore the myriad opportunities available in pallet crafting, highlighting the benefits of using reclaimed wood and the skills needed to turn your ideas into reality. As you dive deeper into this craft, you'll discover that the possibilities are endless. From rustic furniture to decorative home accents, pallet projects can cater to a wide range of tastes and styles. The growing demand for handmade and eco-friendly products means that your creations can find a ready market. Whether you are a hobbyist looking to sell a few items or an aspiring entrepreneur aiming to build a brand, the world of pallet crafting offers both fulfillment and financial potential. Let's unlock the secrets to turning wooden pallets into profitable treasures. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of pallet crafting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. By hitting that like button, you not only support our community, but also help us reach more craft enthusiasts like yourself. Sharing this video with friends and family can spark their interest in sustainable crafting and expand our creative community even further. Make sure to stay with us until the end, as we'll be sharing valuable tips, tricks, and project ideas that will empower you to turn your own pallet crafting dreams into reality. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to see what you create. Welcome to the exciting realm of pallet crafting, where creativity meets sustainability. This journey begins with the humble wooden pallet, a versatile and often overlooked resource. By transforming these pallets into beautiful and functional crafts, you can not only express your artistic flair, but also embark on a profitable business venture. This guide will explore the myriad opportunities available in pallet crafting, highlighting the benefits of using reclaimed wood and the skills needed to turn your ideas into reality. The craft industry has seen a significant rise in demand for unique, handmade items. By converting pallets into functional crafts, you can tap into this growing market. Many consumers are looking for eco-friendly products that showcase craftsmanship and creativity. This trend provides an opportunity to create a niche for yourself, appealing to customers who value sustainability and originality. Marketing your pallet crafts effectively can make a significant difference in your profitability. Utilizing social media platforms, such as Instagram and Pinterest, allows you to showcase your creations visually, attracting potential buyers. High-quality images and engaging content can help you build a following and establish your brand. Furthermore, participating in local craft fairs and markets can increase visibility and provide direct access to customers. Understanding your target market is crucial. Knowing who is interested in your products, be it homeowners, interior designers, or eco-conscious consumers, can guide your crafting decisions and marketing strategies. Tailoring your offerings to meet their needs enhances the likelihood of making sales. Moreover, networking with other crafters and local businesses can open doors to collaborative opportunities and shared marketing efforts. The simplicity of working with wooden pallets is another appealing aspect. Basic skills such as sanding, painting, and assembling can yield impressive results without requiring extensive woodworking knowledge. This accessibility empowers individuals from diverse backgrounds to enter the crafting world, fostering creativity and entrepreneurship. In addition to crafting, there are several ways to monetize your pallet projects. Workshops and classes can be organized to teach others the skills needed to create their own pallet crafts. This not only generates income, but also builds community and encourages sustainable practices. Sharing your knowledge can establish you as an expert in the field, enhancing your reputation and customer trust. The environmental impact of using reclaimed wood is significant. By choosing to repurpose pallets, you contribute to reducing deforestation and minimizing waste. This eco-friendly approach resonates with an increasing number of consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. Promoting the environmental benefits of your crafts can be a powerful marketing tool. Exploring online marketplaces, such as Etsy or eBay, can help you reach a broader audience. These platforms specialize in handmade and unique items, making them ideal for selling your pallet crafts. Setting up an online shop is relatively straightforward, and it allows you to showcase your products to potential buyers around the world, increasing your potential for profit. In addition to selling finished products, consider offering customization options. Personalized items often attract higher prices and can cater to specific customer requests. This flexibility can set you apart from competitors and enhance customer satisfaction, leading to repeat business and referrals. As you grow your pallet crafting business, keeping track of expenses and profits becomes essential. Understanding your financials will help you make informed decisions and adjust your strategies as needed. Regularly reviewing your pricing structure and exploring new revenue streams can contribute to long-term success. Moreover, collaborating with local artists or businesses can enhance your offerings and expand your reach. For instance, partnering with a local cafe to create unique furniture pieces can attract attention and drive sales for both parties. These collaborations can also foster community support, which is invaluable for small businesses. The job opportunities in the pallet crafting niche are diverse. Whether you choose to work independently, teach workshops, or collaborate with businesses, there is room for growth and innovation. The skills you develop while working with pallets can also lead to other woodworking and crafting opportunities, expanding your professional horizons. Exploring the versatility of wooden pallets. Wooden pallets are more than just shipping materials. They are a treasure trove for crafters and DIY enthusiasts. The beauty of pallets lies in their versatility. Each piece of wood tells a story, and with a little creativity, they can be transformed into a variety of functional and decorative items. From rustic furniture to garden decorations, the possibilities are endless. This adaptability not only allows for artistic expression, but also enables you to cater to diverse market demands, making pallet crafting a lucrative endeavor. The environmental benefits of repurposing. One of the most compelling reasons to engage in pallet crafting is the positive environmental impact. By repurposing wooden pallets, you contribute to reducing waste and minimizing the demand for new timber. This practice aligns with the growing consumer preference for sustainable products. As more people become environmentally conscious, showcasing the eco-friendly aspect of your crafts can attract a wider audience. Highlighting this benefit in your marketing efforts can set your products apart in a crowded marketplace. In conclusion, turning wooden pallets into profit through crafting is a viable and rewarding venture. The combination of simple skills, environmental consciousness, and effective marketing offers a pathway to success in the growing craft industry. By leveraging the advantages of pallet wood, you can create a sustainable business that not only generates income but also contributes positively to the environment. In conclusion, turning wooden pallets into profit through crafting is a viable and rewarding venture. The combination of simple skills, environmental consciousness, and effective marketing offers a pathway to success in the growing. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and attention as we explored the fascinating world of pallet crafting together. Your interest in sustainable and creative projects not only inspires us, but also contributes to a vibrant community of makers and crafters. We hope you found valuable insights and ideas that you can implement in your own crafting journey. Remember, every project you undertake not only showcases your creativity, but also promotes eco-friendly practices. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos. Happy crafting!